Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi there. I think I saw you earlier at the concert. Wasn't it amazing?
Hi. Yes, it was fantastic. The band played all my favorite songs.
Same here. By the way, my name is Alex. What's your name?
I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you, Alex. Are you a big fan of this band?
Yes, I've been listening to their music for years. How about you?
Me too. Their music always puts me in a good mood.
Absolutely. Where are you from, Sophie?
I'm from Seattle. What about you?
I'm from Portland. Did you come all the way from Seattle just for the concert?
Yes, I did. I couldn't miss this. My best friend told me about it, and we decided to make a weekend trip out of it.
That's awesome. Are you here with your best friend now?
Yes, she's getting some snacks. Do you usually go to concerts like this?
Not often. I went to a jazz festival last month, but this is my first time at a rock concert in a while.
That's cool. Jazz festivals are fun too. So, do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar, but just for fun. I'm not very good at it. How about you?
I play the piano. I've been learning since I was a kid. It's my favorite hobby.
That's awesome. Do you still play often?
Yes, whenever I have free time. Music is a great way to relax.
I agree. By the way, do you live in Seattle with your family?
No, I live alone, but my parents are still in Seattle. I visit them every weekend. Do you live in Portland with your family?
Not anymore. I live with my dog, Max. He's a golden retriever, and he's very friendly.
That's so cute. I love golden retrievers. How long have you had Max?
For about 3 years. He's like my best friend. Do you have any pets?
No, but I really want a cat someday. Maybe next year.
Cats are great too. So, is this your first time in Portland?
Yes, it is. The city is beautiful. I wish I had more time to explore.
If you have time tomorrow, you should visit Forest Park. It's one of my favorite spots here.
That sounds amazing. Thanks for the recommendation.
So, Sophie, what do you usually do on weekends?
My weekends are pretty simple. On Saturday mornings, I like to sleep in. After that, I usually have a big breakfast. How about you?
I'm an early bird. I wake up at 7 a.m., even on weekends. I go for a run or a bike ride in the park to start my day.
That sounds energetic. What do you usually have for breakfast after your run?
I love making pancakes with fresh fruit. Sometimes I add a bit of honey. What about you?
I'm more of a savory person. My favorite breakfast is scrambled eggs with toast and avocado.
That's healthy. So, what do you do after breakfast?
It depends. Sometimes I meet my friends for coffee, or I go shopping.
Do you have a favorite coffee shop in Seattle?
Yes, there's a small cafe near my apartment. They make the best lattes. Do you drink coffee?
I do, but I prefer iced coffee, even in winter. I also like trying new cafes when I have time.
That's cool. So, what about your Saturday afternoons?
In the afternoon, I usually work on my guitar skills or read a book. I enjoy reading adventure novels.
That's interesting. I love reading too, but I prefer mystery novels. Do you read often?
I try to read a little every day, but weekends are when I read the most.
Same here. What about Saturday evenings? Do you hang out with friends?
Sometimes. If I'm not too tired, I meet my friends for dinner or watch a movie. What do you do?
I like watching movies too. Last Saturday, I watched a comedy with my best friend. It was so funny.
That sounds fun. Do you cook dinner at home or eat out?
I usually cook at home. I love trying new recipes.
Really? What's your favorite dish to cook?
I enjoy making pasta, especially carbonara. It's easy and delicious. Do you cook?
Yes, I love cooking. I make tacos almost every weekend.
Tacos are the best. Do you make everything from scratch?
Not everything, but I try to make the salsa and guacamole myself.
That's impressive. What about Sundays? Do you do anything special?
Sundays are my relaxing days. I usually take Max for a long walk in the morning. Then I clean the house or do some meal prep for the week.
That's productive. My Sundays are pretty relaxed too. I like going to the farmer's market near my house.
That's a great way to spend the morning. Do you buy fresh fruits and vegetables there?
Yes, and sometimes I get homemade bread or cheese. It's always a nice experience.
It sounds like you have a great weekend routine.
Thanks. I think weekends are the best time to recharge.
By the way, Sophie, how's the weather in Seattle these days?
It's mostly rainy as usual. But I don't mind. I think the rain makes the city feel cozy. How's the weather here in Portland?
It's similar to Seattle, but today is sunny, which is rare in winter. Do you like sunny days?
I love them. When it's sunny, I like to go hiking or take a walk by the lake. What about you?
Same here. Sunny days are perfect for outdoor activities. Have you ever been hiking in Oregon?
No, not yet. This is my first time here. Are there good hiking trails nearby?
Definitely. Forest Park is great for hiking. There are also trails in the Columbia River Gorge with amazing waterfalls.
That sounds incredible. I'd love to visit the waterfalls someday.
You should. By the way, do you travel a lot?
I try to travel whenever I can. Last year, I visited San Francisco. It was so much fun. Have you been there?
Yes, I went there 2 years ago. The Golden Gate Bridge is stunning. Did you try any local food?
Yes, I tried clam chowder in a sourdough bread bowl. It was delicious. What's your favorite place you've visited?
Probably Yellowstone National Park. The nature there is incredible. Geysers, mountains, and wildlife everywhere.
Wow, that's on my bucket list. How did you get there?
I drove with some friends. It was a long trip, but totally worth it.
That sounds amazing. Speaking of trips, I think I might get lost here in Portland. The streets are so different from Seattle.
Don't worry. Portland is pretty easy to navigate. If you ever get lost, just look for the Willamette River. It divides the city into east and west.
That's helpful. I was looking for a bookstore earlier and almost gave up.
Oh, which one? Was it Powell's Books?
Yes, I heard it's the biggest bookstore in the world.
It is. Did you find it?
Yes, eventually. It's amazing. I spent over an hour there.
I'm not surprised. Powell's is a great place for book lovers.
I agree. After that, I went shopping downtown. There are so many nice stores here.
That's true. Did you buy anything?
Yes, I got a new jacket and some souvenirs for my family.
That's great. What kind of souvenirs did you pick?
Just small things. Keychains, magnets, and a cute mug for my mom.
Those are perfect. I usually buy t-shirts or local snacks as souvenirs.
Snacks are a great idea. Do you shop often in Portland?
Not really. I usually shop online, but when I go out, I like to visit local markets.
That's nice. I'll check out some markets before I leave. Any recommendations?
You should visit the Portland Saturday Market. It has handmade crafts, art, and great food.
That sounds fun. I'll definitely go. Well, Alex, I've really enjoyed talking with you today.
Me too, Sophie. It's been great sharing stories about travel, shopping, and our favorite activities.
Absolutely. Thanks for all the tips about Portland. I'll definitely check out Forest Park and the Saturday Market before I leave.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll love them. Let me know if you need directions or any other recommendations.
That's so kind of you. By the way, if you ever visit Seattle, let me know. I'd be happy to show you around.
I'd love that. Seattle has been on my list for a while now.
Great! We can grab coffee at my favorite cafe or visit Pike Place Market.
That sounds amazing. I'll make sure to let you know when I plan my trip.
Perfect. Well, I should get going now.
Me too. It was really nice meeting you, Sophie.
Nice meeting you too, Alex. Have a great day.
You too. Safe travels and enjoy the rest of your time in Portland.
Thank you. See you next time.
See you.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.